The term KBO stands for Kuiper Belt Object, which is a classification for Planet X. Potential orbitals refers to the planets and moons in orbit around the KBO. And here they finally ask the question, is this our binary star? The reason they posted that question to the viewer is because they've observed a large nucleus for the KBO. But it was their second video on the 12th of that month titled A Cyclical Storm Brews that really got our attention. Near the end of the video, they announced that they followed our Turrialba volcano research and the object I dubbed Bluebonnet. We then get a warm attaboy from the good folks at the 00 Skyview. Thank you, fellas. Your kind words of support were greatly appreciated, and we certainly hope to see you on the backside. Because you corroborated our observations of Bluebonnet, we were able to take a big step forward. On July 28, 2013, we posted our video, Planet X System Observations and Orbital Analysis, with featured observer Jorge Arena. Early on, an old debunking attack that Bluebonnet is a reflection because it appears in front of the sun was disproved with a series of Vulcan feed captures. The series clearly shows Bluebonnet slipping behind the clouds. Also, the image analysis method we first introduced to our viewers in April was formalized and presented in detail. We call it Camera Sensor Illumination, CSI, and we used it to compare two Bluebonnet captures from this year, one from January and the other from May. Our CSI analysis shows that Bluebonnet has been growing larger and brighter. Likewise, CSI was used to evaluate the observation images of Jorge Arena. He is an importer of Peruvian foods and herbals, and he's based in Ontario, Canada. On May 27, 2013, while flying over the eastern Pacific, he imaged the brown dwarf at the core of the Planet X system. While it appears at the sun's 11 o'clock position relative to Earth's horizon, the actual placement relative to the ecliptic is below the ecliptic and near the sun's 8 o'clock position. Also note that the Vulcan feed in Costa Rica is pointed towards the southwest at an elevation of approximately 11,000 feet, and that when Jorge took his picture, he was at 37,000 feet. And his camera was also pointed towards the southwest. And once again, we find an interesting connection between Jorge's observation and the 2008 ESA-NASA Ulysses probe data presented earlier. Using the data available on Bluebonnet plus Jorge's images, we were able to approximate the orbit of the Planet X mini-constellation through the core of our solar system. What this corroborates is the prediction of the 00 Skyview team that the Planet X flyby would happen on our side of the sun in their November 1st, 2012 video titled Lifting the Veil. Further to that, in a September 2008 interview with Carrie Cassidy of Project Camelot, government whistleblower Bob Dean predicted the very same thing, that the Planet X flyby will occur when it is on our side of the sun. And now, a moment of truth. Everything you've seen up to this point is intelligence. That is, a connected collection of fragments and shards of truth that happen to slip past years of suppression.